Morning mga shots! Happy morning! Wala na akong napit kagabi sa ginawa ko mga shots. So ngayon, morning na. Actually, hindi na morning. Noon na. Kasi anong oras ako nakatulog kagabi? Alas 4 na. Nabutan na nga ako ni Jowa kagabi sa kakalinis ko dito. So anyway, today, punta tayo sa school ngayon. Morning na! Kape-kape lang muna ako sa aking stick coffee. Ito yung bata. Nulo niya na naman yung ating upuan. What's that? Mamaya ko to siya papalitan. Kasi kagabi hindi ko nga siya nagawa dahil sarado yung kwarto ni Nicole. Nandoon yung sofa cover. So mamaya ko siya papalitan. That's Momo. Okay, Momo. Oh no. Go wake up daddy na. So I can go and take Ate Nicole. Yung isa sa school, nandoon si Nicole, nag-text sa akin, ako tumawag kanina sa akin habang tulog pa kami. Paano, late naman kasi kami nagigising talaga. Kanina pa pala siya tumatawag alas 9. Hindi ko na sagot kasi nakamute yung cellphone. Gayon, nandoon daw siya sa clinic kasi sumasakit yung ulo na nasusuka siya. Masakit yung masakit yung ulo niya, nasusuka siya. Sabi ko, kaka-cellphone mo yung batang yan kasi anong oras na anong oras na natutulog. Tapos nagigising ng maaga din. Ay sabi niya, bakit connect. Ay, itong mga bata talaga ngayon. Masakit sa ulo minsan. Gusto niyo marimar. So kailangan kong pumunta doon para pick upin ko siya kasi hindi siya pwede makalabas pag nasa clinic siya ng walang guardian o kaya parents. So magpapasundo na naman yun sa akin. Kailangan na naman natin pumunta sa school mamaya. Anak? Wake up daddy na, come on. Mommy need to go to the school. Ang kita mo ng dimple mo na. Yan na, baby. Yan na. Wala pa ikaw almusal, nak. I will wake up daddy na so I can leave. Nak, bye-bye, nak. Ay, hindi pala. I'll check Aljur outside. You go love daddy. Ito yung ating slipper. Hugas muna tayo dito ng ulan. Ay. Ano ba yan? Social naman mga si Jan. Nagdito na pala kung mga school. Kaya ito boses ko. Ito na ako busy. Ayop. Parang nakakamiss mag-aaral. Kaso lang, sasakit ulo mo. Diretso ako ngayon sa kanilang clinic. Hindi na sa school room. Kita mo na bulaklak na yun. Ito sila. Ito lang yung clinic. Hindi na maiba. Tagbunga yung santol ngayon, pero yung santol nila dito walang bunga. Dapat ganyan mga puno na nakakain. Kaysa yung puno na walang bunga. Ay, ano bang nangyari sa'yo? Ha? Hello! I got flower for you. Oh. Fell down the other one.
See what she got for me.
What's that? She wants to eat now.
Yeah.
Ha? Ay, sorry.
Yeah, man.
Come, knock. Let me in.
Come.
Yeah, forgot to remove the ano.
Yolk, yeah.
Egg yolk.
Omelette.
Oh.
Now she wants cheese.
Eat yogurt.
Yeah.
Tapos na namin kumain ng aming lunch. Oh, what now, baby? Say hi to them. Say hi. Baby Yana. Say hi to them. Say hello, Tata Shad. Hello. Go. Hello. Say hi to them. Give them flying kiss. How about a flying kiss? What happened? Two songs? Frankie ang bata. Bakit? Ulo. Ang mukha. Oh, what yun? Oh, sorry. Yung book pala nahulog. Yung isa namang aso doon nag-aabang. Gusto niya nang lumabas. Ano yan, Monty? What do you want, anak? Sing a song. Oh. I know. Ayaw niya daw mag-vlog. Ayaw mo mag-vlog? Mainit ang ulo ng batang ito. Nak? Dapat ako yung mainit yung ulo. There! Say hello to them. Say hi! You're in a good mood now? Huh? Oh, give them flying kiss. Mwah! Where's the flying kiss? Give them flying kiss. Flying kiss. Huh? Oh, there. This is my flower for you, anak. Say thank you. Thank you, Daddy. You got flower from Daddy? That's from me. Flower. What color is the flower? Red. Red and green. Oh, say bye-bye to Daddy na. Daddy's going to work. It's in the table. Show them the flower. Flower. Show them the flower. That's Baby Yana's flower. Now, show them the flower. Where? Where's the flower? Kiss the flower. Mwah. Ang cute naman. Ang cute naman dimple mo na. Sana all. What time are you coming home? 3 o'clock this time? Babe? Pasok na sa work ang daddy. Work daddy. Work. Ang baby namin. Nak, get your slipper. We're going outside. You wanna go for walk? Huh? Yana, where's your slipper? Go get your slipper. Come on. Now, where's the draw? Draw is here. Okay. Where's the other one? Go get the draw. There. Come on. Let's have TV break. Too much TV. How about the other one? Oh, that's good. Oh, go ask Daddy. Daddy, put the slipper on.
Come in, darling. 1, 2.
Excited to go out also? Huh? Okay, that's enough TV. Yeah. Ay, Monty, you cannot go outside because
Wet.
no, yeah, it's wet, and also they put a poison for the rat. You might eat it. Yesterday, I don't know what he had. He puked again. No more outside for you, Monty, today, okay? Just stay here.
He goes to garbage and eats garbage food.
I know.
It's not like our food. So go outside, eat garbage. Stay outside only, like a stray dog.
Can't go outside, stay here. Okay?
Let's go. Okay. It's drizzling now.
Bye-bye, Daddy, nak. Bye, Daddy. Give Daddy a kiss. No kiss for Daddy.
See your back? See your back?
Yeah, no, something bit her.
Scratching when she was inside.
Hurry! Babe, you have to get your ano. Babe, you have to get your umbrella. Go bring the umbrella na here.